question.
Enge India.
Mo.
Oh.
Ma
se Chicago chuan tang dar nei nian ni lo ni. I think so too.
Somebody said Shin call Mizo țawng hang te.
Mizo tong ka thiam non la wa. Mizo tong ka shi thiam non la wa. Eng tin ye ni don.
Anh tin Mizo țawng thiam lo.
A chan chu Mizo一thiam ka. Mai se thiam ka. Ka shi lo.
Mizo țawng là shiu. Mizo țawng là shiu.
Mizo țawng ka shi lo wa. Yeah.
Okay, I'll ask you a question.
Enge India.
Mo.
Oh.
Isoy is Enge?
Enge India.
I think I know what you're asking. Like, where am I? Biak in.
Church economy mo.
Yeah, biak in la economy.
Oh.
Lalpa.
Voin kan enge India.
Hả?
Voin kan enge India.
Voin ka? Enge isoy omzia. No.
Wait.
Enge isoy omzia kashilo.
Oh wait.
Soy
Voin na hian biak in nikal tonem.
Oh.
Voin na hian biak in nikal tonem mini.
Ni khatta voi khat.
Ase, are you going to church today?
Oh my gosh, I thought you asked me how many times I go to church.
Yo! Anilo. Voin na hian biak in nikal tonem ni.
Yes. Ole.
Kakal don mo.
Yeah.
Kaypo kakal ve do na.
Oh.
Inkom da cheo.
Izay don em ni.
Kazai don lo. Nang po izai don em ni.
Izay don lo. But
Nge izai don lo wa.
Enge tinge why no izay don lo ni.
Chan chu zai don rem hi kan ni lo wa mo.
Lalpa. Izay ngai nang chu izay ngai ni a.
Wait. Nang angin kazai the lo wa. Chu bangin kazai lo wang. Okay. Tatin ngai ro.
Okay, 타쟁아. The sword. Okay. One more time.
Wait, one more time.
I feel like I can do it.
Okay, you got this. Nang angin kazai the lo wa. Chu bangin kazai lo wang.
Nazai the to. Nazai the to.
Kazai the lo wa nang angin.
No. Ha. nang chu vocal range sang tak ineya.
Nang chu vocal perfect ngay này mo.
No,
Cái chu cái này là ba. À chân
vocal
chu.
medium aniya, medium. Nang chu asang lutok. One day at a time, sweet Jesus. Okay, I have one.
Ở phẩm kim này mo. Nang chu mà sẽ cái chu. Ở phẩm kim cái này là ba. So. Ishem.
No.
Giải thiam cái này là ba mo.
Isha dulo.
Mi zong in la isa thelo di an xia.
How? Lâu thổi.
Ishe thiam. À chân chu mi zong in la isa thelo di an xia. So cái anh đi lâu à.
Izai okay, cái mai is Mizo la or la in general. Izai te matse Mizo singers, or I guess no. Izai te matse. Just look at Italo.
Wait. Mizo angin ha kasi thelo ba.
Nang mamo.
Cái mà cái giải chiếm lâu cho cả mồ anh tin nghe
Gay aya tazak ani ini. Gay zai thiam.
cái giặc lề mấy.
But nang ma kha.
What?
Tazak ini. Got better.
Cái giặc lề mấy.
Here's what you need to do. Itong tay angay ani. Lots and lots of itong tay angay ani.
Ani. Cái giặc á chân chú nắng mà angin là cái giặc thelo vào.
Anh tin nghe ngoi ro.
Anh nghe cứ ngay ruộng á.
You. Iril atam le may. Iril atam le may.
Iril jam?
Yeah.
Ingang iril jam at this time.
Oh.
I can't. Hey, hun lại hiền iril jam le mấy nè mo.
How many em ni?
How minh tiêm. Anh nghe how minh tiêm nè chú.
Cái mà thao. Cái thao.
What? Ít thao tí suy lâu à, cái suy lâu, ok. Ít thao cái tí lâu à. Mà sẽ hay chẳng hiền做嘢gì lâu nè.
Do te ni.
아니, 아리가또 고자이마스. I can't even right now, bro. I can't speak. I can't speak anymore, Mizo.
it's beautiful, but it's also just like really hard to
I know.
down.
今日は何をしましてかたか
What she said. Mm-hmm.
ありがとうございます。
Senpai.
Senpai. What do you mean, senpai? Yeah.
Okay.
私は先輩ではありません。
はい。
Now you speak to me in Korean now.
No, I don't want to speak Korean.
You know you're good at it.
It's
Remember?
cringe.
You remember? No. You only like it.
Okay, I'll try Japanese.
Japanese? Okay, try.
Okay. Gonya noko kibun.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
Gonya Gonya noko kibun wa ige desu ka?
Nani?
What the heck?
Nani?
気分はいかがですか？
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 Gonya no go kibun wa iga de kukeko kakukakika?
何何しろ。
Mm.
何言ってる
Sushi?
Sushi makashirisi?
Hey.
Okay, let's speak a language that nobody will know.
Let's do Malaysian.
Okay.
Let's do Malay.
Satu dua jika
Dika. Apa kabar?
ang panlina Jepun
Japat, sayang.
sayang aku. Terima kasih.
Bagaimana? Bagaimana, sayang?
Cepat-cepat sakila.
Sayang, very, lapar.
Sayang aka pada dengamu.
You're so good. Did you like live in Malaysia?
Salamat. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Sayang apa denganmu?
Ika satu bangsa satu Malaysia.
Oh. Is it like a Malaysian song?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
Indonesian?
I think Malaysian. It's Malaysian.
Oh. I think the one that I always sing is not even Malaysian song, it's Indonesian song. Somebody say speak Korean, please.
Nope.
あなたたちフィルターが水をご話しているのは本当に面白い。
Kira, watashi wa suka. He know who I am, and he don't have to say my name.
2000 la nao pang laya hong zui tu. What?
Oh my
Zui
god.
tu ka shi thiam lo.
I can teach you some Zope.
Okay, do it.
Because somebody said, Elena, I brought her thiam, which is my mother's native language.
Say it.
Sompaiti gaten țawng, which means like I know a little bit.
I thought you were gonna say something else. Sompaiti ka thiam ta.
Nadamo, which means like nandama. Nadamo.
That's literally
Really? Not dan?
Nadamo.
No, dan is D-A-N.
Oh, nadamo.
Kanitsa dan.
Nadamo. Okay, speak to me in Falam.
Nadamo.
Ay, so They said that Thiam love singing Falam song.
Oh my, I would not blame people for thinking I'm Falam because I have more songs in Falam than I do in like Hakka.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like I'm not beating the allegations. Because they're like, we didn't know you were Zope, or like we didn't know you were this, and I'm like, yeah, they're like, because you sing like Mizo Falam songs, and I'm like, that's so true. I was looking at my whole playlist, and
Well, Falam song is really nice though, honestly.
oh,
And then you sound good in Falam too. Not gonna lie.
when so is Galung Oilutuk, is that Falam or Mizo?
What the heck? Kaluoy na to.
Oh wait,
Ống
wait, no, I'm
lầu
sorry,
à.
Galung
Ống
Oilusa is
già ống lầu á.
I'm sorry. So
So it's just kalung
Galung
oy.
Oi
Kalung
Nasa.
oy tuk or kalung oy. That's it.
There's no Nasa.
Kalung oy na sa. It's
Mm.
like, I don't know, like how, ah, it's like kalung oy is thank you, right?
Mm.
Sometimes we use like, oh, kalung oy na sa. Or like, I don't know. It's like kind of sassy way to say like kalung oy na sa. Or I don't know.
Um,
Sometimes I be thinking to it, honestly. Kalung oy. Kalung oy tuk.
Sindu kalau du tu Galung Oi
Then so
Nasa.
hello do now. That song is so funny.
Nun Mizo Dong Tsu Ni Swak Man. No, it's not. It's real. It's
So you know, we are
what does Kwavang no te mean? Kwavang no te meaning nalo sim como.
Pavel no day is basically like la sifala.
Mm. What? Um
La
uh
sifala.
okay. Nang ma nalasiflahe ahose.
What?
Oh wait, is lasifla for girls? Is that like a feminine?
No, like Kwavang no is like a fairy, I guess.
Mm. What?
Of course I'm better in Falam. I am Falam and she's Hakka. What do you mean?
No, I'm better. I taught her
True,
that.
true.
I taught her and I lost it all.
What is it? What?
Wabang is a verse that pleases him. Ooh, what? Don't.
Wait.
I think he's trying to say is um.
I think he's just trying to say it's just a verse.
Oh, Kwabang means note of the wind.
Note of the wind. Shin pin the pot balmante.
Chichi kapambalo kabakwastep natikan lang kan umlewa kan sun eyebrow le tan lang krak tan swak and then eyebrow katumpal tan kan rak
Tantang na ngay ma.
ngai kisa kata kaulo around sa ka Taylor.
Si ani kamu zai tala. Hak chia tok liao ka. Right, right.
Naupang, I'm very naupang, so
Now pang tay no miss.
I am naupang, but I like upa.
What the heck? Asi ani himu. Now pang hak chia di sa kolay he. Sa'yo ada. Upa,
Is
please
that
adi ko tayo.
is that what like Hakka sounds to you? Like the tone when you do
No,
it?
actually, like, I think like it's a qian daw kate.
Hakka
Honestly,
yeah.
yeah, yeah, a little bit qian daw kate. Falamki is like more softer. I
Mm-mm-mm.
would say like the way when you say like when you try to express or confess or like something is like say
Mm.
something in Hakka that you know like you're confessing to somebody.
Yeah. Mm-mm-mm. That's how I feel about like even there's a difference between like Hakka accent and Tanzang accent, and it'll be like Hakka ke. Sometimes I feel like it's a little harsher sometimes, but yeah.
Yeah. It's like, okay, do pickup line.
Hakka kinma.
Yeah.
Or like
Oh, like general, just pickup line.
mm. 나도 또 그냥 그만. Banya Chimakinson, it's okay. I think it's attractive sometimes. But I think it's like more than pickup lines, it's more like the cute bifak chimke. I feel like
Oh yeah,
I think it definitely would hit a lot harder if you said it in Hakka accent.
The Falam is like don't know anymore. In Falam is like how you say it? The mỗi tuk na phone number kalak thay mo.
Oh, okay. That was good.
Like how ko holin today this namoy I no what the heck?
Namoyado, don't the phone number nakapay ko ma.
Oh, I feel like it's more calmer. I mean, it depends on the people that say it too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mana babdo pick up line hakadzo like that lang akin and simdo ding kasi to tempo papo hits and sinolo. There's no way, especially in the US.
they be so nonchalant. I hate
I
nonchalant people. Sorry.
know. I hate that word or how that word is used.
Guys, I don't like nonchalant guys.
Don't be nonchalant, you guys. Be who you are. Be expressive.
Exactly. And then one time I can't even, bro. This one guy, that even when you try, I don't know, it's just their personality or it's just I can't with nonchalant people,
Me too.
especially the guy. Like why?
It gets old.
The utter anbang.
Yeah.
Like just your life is too short to be nonchalant, bro.
Yeah.
Wait, what did it say? Exit you. Like, who's that? Who's that?
Ex to Lactalo Namhilsia. What does that mean?
The exit is basically it's like poop.
Right.
They're
It's your
like poop.
poop. But then what does that mean? Like Lactalo Namhilsia?
You
That
can't
means
take it
ugly.
because you're ugly.
Oh.
Say it, y'all. Y'all, comments, dang.
Wait, who did that? I don't know who did that, but I saw the video and now I'm going to hell. Oh, it's a video? They're cute. They're really cute.
They're so cute. I can't come up right now. So you can.
It's not the thing that I was laughing at, you guys. It was the way you did this. You showed it to me. You go, came out of nowhere.
I'm gonna go to hell.
Wow. Talk about that.
Okay.
Okay, the people want to
No, we're not gonna show you again.
no. It's like
It's very like it's so not fair, but it's so like bro, like literally there's a video kadaw.
and wow, a video is insane. That's so funny.
Yeah, they make it, and then this person was, react. He tried to not react to it because, like, the Jesus, the Jesus picture was on his
Oh,
back.
in the end, oh my gosh. It's like, why are you laughing?
So like Korean men,
What?
like
Next topic.
your ideal type in
What?
Korean men.
My ideal type is not Korean men.
No, I know, but who do you see like that's handsome?
I like old.
Okay, that doesn't come out right
Oh
now.
crap!
So
Okay. I like
I
the.
like old.
What's wrong with that? I'm just kidding. I like the older generation
Mm.
of actors. Like like Lee Min-ho, Boy with Flower.
You still like him right now? Because I used to really like him too.
Why don't you like him anymore?
Oh no,
He got fat or
he got old.
oh he didn't get fat, he just got chubby. Cause somebody I feel so bad because like Korea is such like so toxic.
Mhm.
They cut or just East Asia, they cut off contracts if you gain weight and stuff. And
Yeah.
Lee went through that where he like his contract was terminated because he gained weight, and that's
What the
insane.
heck?
That's insane.
Okay, that's actually really sad, bro.
Yeah. But I like him. I would say he's my type. I like manly if you since you said like in Korean, I would go for like the manlier ones, you know what I'm saying?
Manlier one, like Lee
Like
Min
like like
Ho.
like Ji Chang-wook is kind of I like him.
Who's Ji Chang Wook again?
He was in like K2. Um
Ji Chang Wook. I need to look. Ji Chang Wook.
but I'm not really into
Oh, I
Korean.
really like him too. From Healer, like, right?
Yeah, Healer. I
Oh
liked him from
yeah.
Healer.
I used to really like him.
Mhm.
No, I still like him. He's very handsome for me too. And what do you know, sweet?
You got me there.
Kylie Cole.
Okay, what's a song that you like get tired of singing on stage? That one? That really? I thought the
No,
song didn't
me.
get old though. Guess
No,
oh.
for me, like I don't
Okay.
really. I want to, like I want to sing something like chorus, like fashion, fashion.
You don't have any chords, that's fashion.
But then my voice cannot do that. Like my voice is not fitting to that, so it's so sad. Like honestly, I like singing hype songs, not
I
cute
get it.
songs.
Yeah, I want a little song fast, so you know what?
Honestly, I can't sing crush on stage.
Take a crash, no
I
see.
don't want to sing. I mean, it's not that I don't want to sing it, but it's just like I don't enjoy singing it.
Mm-hmm.
I enjoy singing like "我是浪吧" and something like that.
Mm-hmm. I get you. Somebody said something in Burmese. Ko
And
san tiel, but girl thiam lang. We've been yapping for a while. I feel like we
we
said.
have
I
been
feel like we talked about
so
10
many
different
things.
subjects.
I like it. I like it. We should do this often.
Hey guys, live with Shibanalina every Saturday at 11 o'clock. Tea
No,
time.
because I don't know. I think it's fun. Like sometimes
Um,
you don't get that chance.
mm-hmm.
Life is life is too like busy.
Yeah. You know what I miss going live? I miss going live on Facebook. That's where I started.
Ah.
Facebook, yeah, that's where I started. That's where I like did stuff.
Oh, I love one of my first time discovering you was you sing that song. You was like with the little glasses.
I was so
That thick
blind.
glasses. Yeah, I really like. What was it like? I'm
It was a
so
James
in
Arthur
love with
song.
you.
Yeah.
I'll never.
Say you
I
won't let
liked it.
go. Mm-hmm.
That was my first time discovering you, I think. And I was like, oh my god, she's so cute. Can't believe it. What? She's only 16? 15?
It was yeah, I was like 15, I was 14, 15 actually.
Dang. That time I was like 20.
Dang, we're getting old. Huh.
Oh, you're 22 now, right? Good
I'm gonna be 23 in May. And then I was talking about this, but if you think about it, like in 8 years, I'm gonna be 30. I mean, you'll be, you
I'll be
know?
40.
What? No, you're
Pushing
not.
40.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In 8 years, yes. But like, isn't that crazy? I feel like we're still young, but also like,
I'm old.
I don't know, we're all at different stages of our life. Like,
I'm gonna turn 27. You said 23.
27 is the perfect age to get married, I feel like. It's a pretty good age.
I think so too. Wait,
Yeah.
23. Dang, you're 4 years younger than me.
Uh, uh. Are you guys doing any music video 2026? Yeah, I don't know. We did do a collab together.
Sing for us.
Never in a million years I thought I'd find.
Wait, we have not seen that song together on stage.
Oh, we're gonna do it this.
Yes.
I have the sound check. Guessing into thiam pawh nang lo țawng down her. Say what I need you right here, right now. Yeah.
Oh yeah. We're gonna dance that.
We're gonna dance. It's like a chorus dance move. We're gonna make it really fast.
Gonna be like sitting in the door.
You're gonna do your footwork.
Because we want to be chorus so bad.
Yeah.
Fashion, fashion. 심장이 펑펑. 난 눈아타는 펑펑. 아하.
That was beautiful.
That was so nice. I know.
You guys, it's not Sunday yet. For
Wait, who
us.
said? Wait, it is Sunday now for me.
Oh, 12 today. Oh,
Mhm.
it's 11.
You know what is going on?
Mm-hmm.
Life is going on. Wait. So interview.
Okay.
You doing any music this year?
Yes, but I don't know about an album. I feel like I've been asked that question, but I don't know if I can. But I want to release more songs. But I don't know about album.
票证您断别听那顶楼迷雾里西藏。票证您断别听那顶楼迷雾里西藏。What do you mean? Sister Shin, you look like foreign people.
He's from China, you guys.
你好吗？
你好喽。
你是什么？
我爱你。
你叫什么名字啦？
You know my name in Chinese, like Elena the kid. It's 艾伦娜。
我是
我是会你
梁，
的宁静，你的织毛，你的
我是清凉。
我是
你叫什么名字啦？
闭嘴。
对呀。嗯。Do you know? Yang is Thailand.
I'm half Thai.
Yeah, she's Thailand.
She's Thailand.
Oh, she's Thai.
I'm
สวัสดีครับ
Swadee ka. I'm 30% Thai,
Speak in Thai, please.
which makes me 30% man. I'm lady boy. Um, ขอบคุณค่ะขอบคุณพี่ใจนะ แล้วก็อื่นอูชินเบียร์ That's racist. She's Thai racist.
I know ต้องขับ
You sound like you speak Viet. Are
Viet
you good at Viet? I feel like you're good.
จำอ้อน
What does that mean?
that mean hi
Japun?
oh no there's no hi
I feel like it's
xin chào
not
is
Thai. Isn't
xin
it
chào is
Jiao?
hi
Xin
xin
chào.
chào
Mm.
ありがとうございます
Arigatou gozaimasu.
本当にですか
Okinawa Hyundai.
You're racist
I've seen that video. It's from a movie. Ohani Biryani Teriyaki.
oh yeah that ghost thingy
Yeah.
bro
Um,
what else do your accent come on it's okay we're not racist we're Asian
I feel like I'm just like okay at Thai. I feel like Thai is.
I think you're good at doing Indian too though honestly
I learned a really good phrase. I feel like I say it wrong, but I know how to say "Don't talk to me" in Urdu.
do it
It's like "mir" or "mere." It's like "mere se baat nahi karta ho."
Ooh, that is the Barney Kurtaho.
Yeah, "mere se baat nahi karta ho." Chup. Rahul, chup.
मेरे का Barney चढ़ता हो.
Oh.
Is that how you say it?
I think I'm saying it wrong, but it's "mere se baat nahi
Oh, मेरे से बात नहीं
karta ho."
करता हो.
"Mere se baat nahi karta ho."
मेरे से बात नहीं करता हो.
Mm.
And then what else? I like speaking in Indian. Like it's very fascinating, actually. And then they
Like with an
sometimes switch it
accent?
like yeah, I love it. Like they switch it like with English, and it's so like
Yeah, because they have like a British like an English British accent because yeah, they got colonized by the British people.
Yahoo!
Yeah.
Pooja, you dying for it? Wait.
Or shut the
No.
it's a challenge.
Wait, what kind of challenge?
It's like shut the front door challenge. It's like a TikTok thing.
Oh.
Yeah. Like who says it best and most confidently. But we don't say it. Like
We don't curse?
we don't say it.
Bro, say something I don't know what to do. Say something in Hindi, somebody said. I don't know. The only thing I learned from Hyang is मेरे से बात नहीं करता हो.
Oh, period. You remember really well.
Let me see. Hindi language. We're gonna do from translation. Like, where is it? Is there any other thing that you know?
कहो ना प्यार
कि तुमसे प्यार है
कहो ना प्यार है
बोली चूड़िया
बोले कंगना हाय मैं हो गई
तेरी सजना
सजना yeah, that's all.
Oh, I know this song. Wait, sing one of the song.
Which one? You know this one?
이거
It's like आँखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं हैं.
Nope.
That one's a really good one. You know the तुम पास आए यूं मुस्कुराए सपने आए.
Oh, one of the very, very sad
Oh my
Hindi
gosh!
song.
Somebody said कोई मिले क्या? That was
कोई
good.
मिल गया.
Without
What is
me.
it? One of the very, very sad song. I forgot. Wait. When the mom was like waiting for Shah Rukh Khan, I really like that song. No.
Oh my gosh! Do you know this one? योगी तुम ही हो अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो जानवी.
I think I know, but I don't know the whole song. You know, like क्या बोली तुम?
Keep singing it.
क्या
I don't know that one.
बोली तुम?
You should be a voice actor.
Is that?
आप कैसे हैं?
आप कैसे हैं?
I feel like I know what that. I feel like I've heard of that.
What is it? What is it?
Okay, say it again, and then like I'll try to guess what it means.
आप कैसे हैं?
आप कैसे हैं? कैसे हैं?
How are you? Or like where are you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, how are you?
How about this?
मैं ठीक हूँ.
मैं ठीक हूँ.
Don't think it's a question. I am good.
I am fine. Oh, you good. I think you watch a lot of Indian movie. Indian movie.
एक की लड़की को
Speak to
देखा.
me in Korean language.
Who?
You're good at speaking in like Korean. Like you're very good. I understand more than I know how to speak.
I really, yeah. I feel like Korean is easier than most languages. Like I was really ashamed when we were in Korea and I couldn't even communicate with, our community in Burmese. Like I was talking in Korean to I was talking to them in Korean rather than speaking in Burmese because my Gohe was so limited.
Bro.
And I was like, dang.
괜찮아요?
안 괜찮아.
왜요?
슬퍼요.
왜요? 슬퍼요? 왜 슬퍼?
Ew.
뭐가 슬퍼? 뭐가?
I feel like you're supposed to be quiet. You're
No.
too loud.
인정아, 진정로. 인정아. 예.
But I want to learn
어떻게
Spanish.
이게 뭐예요?
I want to learn Spanish.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Muy bien.
Mucho, muy bien.
Mucho, mucho, muy bien.
Tú, mucho hermosa.
뭐세요?
¿Qué? ¿Qué?
뭐세요?
뭐 하세요?
뭐세요?
밥 먹었어요? Seafood 먹었어. It was really
Seafood
good.
먹었어? 진짜? 진짜요? 네.
시끄러워.
어? 아니에요. Wait, no.
I think somebody did a little cuss word.
No. 이거 너무.
That wasn't a cuss word. That means have a good day.
Yeah.
Tell her to go.
Rosie!
Tell her to go.
Rosie, invite me! And I'm just joking. No, I don't think
No, I'm sure.
No, I don't think I can go. Anywho, unfortunately, I feel bad because I always cancel. It's not that I want to cancel and I don't want to go. It's just that
Yeah.
the timing is always like not timing.
Yeah.
The timing is not there. Yeah.
It pains me that it's going.
Wait, Chin TV is this year or next year?
I don't think Shin TV is happening this year at all.
Is it?
It's been like 2 years, girl. I
Chin TV was very fun though, honestly.
don't think it came last year, right? That was when I didn't come.
Yeah, I think. What happened? Why didn't you come, actually?
I don't even know. Probably in school or something.
Yeah, last year they do it like very big,
Oh, they did at
but
the place, right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Wait, that was not last year. That was 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Wait, I can't believe your brother. Your brother.
I know they're getting married, you guys.
That's so cute.
So excited.
So excited for them.
Everyone's getting married. Everybody and their mama is getting married. Including
The
her.
mask.
But it's getting.
Oh, what is that? Jacob, what's the what you mean?
Look at the comments. I feel like we're FaceTiming and
They just like commenting and then I don't even read it.
let's see. In Komru, what does that mean?
Wait, no, wait. Let me delete this person real quick, okay?
What did they
Guys,
say?
whenever I see bad comments, not like like bad as like, just you guys are making fun of me and stuff, but it's okay. But if I see something very like inappropriate, I will block y'all. Just want to let y'all know.
Yeah, go look somewhere else.
Savage love.
Did somebody break
Yeah,
your heart?
report comment. Exactly. Period. What y'all wanna?
Malaya,
Utseo! Don't say that.
I've Malaysia to Ratkanduto. We should go to Malaysia together. That'd be so much fun.
Malaysia. Yeah. Last time
Malaysia
you guys
to
went, right? Kedua? No, it's
yeah,
Lian Lian.
no, I went with Jenny and Betty.
How was that actually? Call me. Don't call me yet, bro.
Trying to read these comments. In Thiam ve W Minlo Zirtur Vedoni.
What is that?
Mm.
Inge iti kashelo. Minasu. Minasu.
Hmm.
Olive so much. What is olive so much? Wait, we should definitely do live when we together.
Yeah, we should.
It.
Can you please say Sara Simte? Oh, it's a name, I think.
Oh,
Say hi the mo.
these nuts. Who are you?
That was so abrupt. That was so abrupt.
Ipsy. Bro, guys, Nyang can dance so good, guys.
No, I cannot. Don't even.
Dude, I don't have the money. No, 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 no.
I love that song. I love her. I don't know, like something about her is just like she's so iconic.
Wait, what is it? What was the song again? How does the song go?
I don't need a motherfucking job. No. I don't need a job. I'm a motherfucking boss. I don't need a job. I'm a motherfucking boss.
You need to start dancing to that again. Wait, that one actually got a lot of like I saw.
We were crashing out because we were studying for an exam and we need more energy drink, so we walked on campus to get some stuff and we just decided to do that. And
That one was funny. I really like it. That's so funny.
Daddy.
Guys, the real Hyang is like, you know, you look at her and then you're gonna be like, oh, she looks very unapproachable. But when you get to know her, Lord have mercy. Woo! I can't even handle her sometimes.
You want to tell me your life?
Guys, she's very cool.
Thank you for saying that.
Wait, you guys know about Rahun or what? Wait, you like Indian movie, right?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Look at this.
Oh,
My cat.
I wish I had a cat.
Wait, what is your favorite Indian movie or Indian?
Bollywood.
Mhm.
It's I
Kaho
don't say
na
like
pyari
I don't want to say like kuch hota hai because that's like everybody, you know.
hai.
Kubi Kushi Kubi Kaham is really good, but that movie is like 3-4 hours. But it's
Bro, I love that movie. I watched twice. I
Mhm.
don't
Mhm.
normally watch Indian movie.
Why is the accent coming out?
I'm sorry. No, it's really nice. It's so
But
fun to
yeah,
talk like
okay,
that.
yeah, I no, I love doing Indian accents too.
No, I you know, I've never watched Bollywood movie and but Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, that one I watched twice.
Yeah.
I know it's like 3 hour long, but I really love
Did you
it.
ever watch Jab We Met? Jab We Met Tumhe.
Sing one of their song.
Oh, I can't. Um, or the one where it's like the best friend, the guy falls in love with the pretty best friend Tina, but or Pooja, and but then he goes away to London, and so the other best friend is emailing him and writing to him for all these years, and he comes back and falls in love with her, but really it was the other girl that was writing to him. They get engaged, but he realizes she's not the one he fell in love with in the first place.
Kuchu kuchu hota hai?
That one.
I have no idea. Let me wait. What is the title?
I don't
Let me
know.
see.
It's on Netflix.
Who
It's
is the
on
actor and
Netflix.
actress? It depends.
Shatik Roshan, yeah. The guy is Shatik. The girl is Rani.
Honestly, I only
And
want to watch it
no. Uh-huh.
if it's Shah Rukh Khan.
I know, but Shatik is good too. Because Shatik is from Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
Mm.
He's the brother. Shah Rukh Khan,
Oh,
of course. But there's a lot.
okay. I will try to go look because I don't, like I said, I normally don't watch Bollywood, but
Mhm.
like there's only 3 I
It
watch.
has this movie that I'm telling you about has that iconic song. Oh my darling, I love you.
I
Oh my god, that was so good. That was so good.
No, I think I watched that before. Why?
Yeah,
What?
when you see it, you'll notice the actors and actresses, and you'll be like, oh yeah, I've probably watched.
No, I heard that song. Like, I feel like I watched that movie
Let
before.
I tell you. Yeah.
What to do? That's
Yeah. That's it. That's the
that's
one.
it. That's the one. And I really, really love what is it? कहो ना प्यारी है कि
Oh yeah, that
तुमसे
one's
प्यारी है.
good. That one's like really old too. Oh my gosh, you just
Yeah.
reminded me. Kalhona Home. I will cry to Kalhona Home. That's Shah Rukh Khan is in there and he has cancer.
Oh, yeah. I don't watch those. I don't watch
No,
that.
you like it.
No, like literally, I only watched like 3, and then that's Kuchu Kuchu Hota Hai, kohona piati he, and then kabikushi kabigam or something like that. But I really like, you know, I don't like the fact, like, when I grow up a little bit, like, you know, I don't like how she goes to Shah Rukh Khan.
Ooh.
Like the kuchi kuchi hota hai.
Oh.
I hate how she go back to Shah Rukh Khan.
I know, because he did her so dirty.
I know. I don't like that. Now that I like think back, like
Yeah,
I
like
would
I
not
would.
choose him.
The other guy was his name was like Rahman or something. Like justice
So
for him
handsome
because
too.
I know, and he treated her so well. But I guess the whole world
Exactly.
thought it was. Ooh, if it
Not
was Shah Rukh
me.
Khan, if it was Shah Rukh Khan, I said okay.
No, Shah Rukh Khan looks nice, like back in the day, honestly, but
He's so handsome.
he is. Indian Azan is pretty good looking, bro.
Yeah.
And the Indian woman book is a wrong as and moida ni ka Thailand.
I know, they're so beautiful. Their eyes is just like capturing a mitke.
It's like green, bro.
It's like hazel green.
Yeah. What is it? Priyanka? Priyanka?
Oh, Priyanka Chopra.
Camilo Adangdeo Kazosta. I forgot. One of the most beautiful Indian women. She was
Ashwari.
named.
Ashwari's beautiful. She was
Dang,
also
like
Miss
they're
World.
so beautiful. They're so beautiful. Indian women are so beautiful.
So beautiful.
Like I think
I think
like
Deepika is like
naturally.
Deepika. Deepika. I think
Ooh.
that she's probably one of the most beautiful women on earth.
Yeah, the Pika, right? The Pika.
Yeah, she has a movie with Shah Rukh Khan. I watched it. It's like she like it's like about reincarnation. Oh, but it has
Oh yeah.
my favorite soundtrack from a movie is from that movie when it comes to Bollywood.
Dang, she looks so good. Uh, honestly, for me personally, I think I don't know, yang naitok, you
Mm-hmm.
know, Sher Khan to and Mika from
Mm-hmm.
Kushi Kabigam.
Mm-hmm.
I forgot her name. Pooja? No. What the heck? No. The poor girl.
Me?
You're not. You're not poor. No, let's go to when you come here, let's go to snowboarding.
I don't know how to.
Well, everybody go without knowing if they learn, okay?
When I go where? To North Carolina?
Yeah. Do they have snowboarding over there in Chicago?
Yes, they do.
You know, if we go to Denver, it will be so nice. Snowboarding over
Oh,
there is
Denver is
so good.
so much fun.
Pooja, what the heck is this behavior?
You're asking for it. You're dying for it.
Oh my God, you're so good at it.
Like, get off my back.
Get off my back.
I kicked it by mistake.
I love that.
You can't kick it by mistake.
You're dying for it.
You're asking for it.
You're asking for it.
Get off my back.
I love that. Wait, what is the whole like story about that? I only
It's a reality show, kisse,
uh-huh.
and I think they just had beef. Like, somebody said, come to Indiana.
I've been there too much.
I
I
know.
feel like
I
I
go
need to
there
be separate.
for, I know. I go there for one restaurant.
Only Sian restaurant.
Indiana
Are you
open plan.
promoting right now?
Can
There
I?
are so many. There are so many restaurant. You said Sian restaurant.
Because I'm telling you. Ushwe, have you been to Sia?
Yeah.
The intestine, just like it melts in my mouth. And then the sabuti just doesn't need that much seasoning. They do pretty well with kimchi stew.
And țawng.
Mhm.
It's slang. Slang of what?
Neexito is not a slang.
Bro, like who in the world like tease a girl that they like or something? Neexito.
I feel like this. Neexito.
I don't think the girl will like you back, bro. I don't think if you're trying to flirt a girl like that, you will never get a girl. I'm sorry. Neexito.
Mm-mm.
Nemelsia. Damn.
Oh, mom and that's like elementary.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Guys, let me give y'all an advice.
We're doing deep talks now.
Guys. Yeah, tell me, okay? Do you like
Mm.
nonchalant or chalant, guys?
I like nonchalant guys.
Real?
Yeah, I don't like nonchalant guys.
No.
I think that it's important for a man to be expressive and be proud that he likes a girl instead of
Exactly.
I want him proud.
Boo
Ah,
to nonchalant.
yeah. I don't think it's gonna get you anywhere.
Exactly.
So,
Who's nonchalant in the comments? Boys, don't be nonchalant. Be a man, okay? You promise a girl that you're gonna get them a flower. Get it, girl. Guys.
exactly.
If he wants to, he
Ella. That's true.
No, that's true, right? Like
Yeah, it's very.
you guys gotta you know I kind of like TikTok live better. Next time we should do TikTok live because like
I've never gone live on TikTok.
no, it's so fun. I don't know. I just like speak whatever on my mind and then people just watch.
Really? I've never done.
It's fun. It's fun to do live on TikTok and then you do like connect with people or something like that and then like it just leads you to some other people that you don't even know. Then
Mm.
sometimes I just skip because mostly when they are a guy, I just skip.
Oh, so like you feature people so they go on the live with you?
Yeah,
Okay.
but it's not weird like
Yeah.
that other website. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, like Omegle.
Yeah. It's not weird like that.
Omegle.
Ele, Alina, I wish I find you.